Here you can see a pretty standard example of a spot welder that is set up for stud welding. We're looking at the electrodes right here. Now we're going to look at the soft touch safety device. That white box is a device that helps prevent people getting their fingers pinched. You're looking at the air system now. We're going to look at the water flow switch on the inside. There it is right there. That bronze colored thing is just a water flow switch. Here comes the weld control. This machine is just being run off, so it's not really tidied up. There's tape holding the door shut and stuff like that, but in production obviously that would all be buttoned down. That's the weld control thing. There we're seeing the actuator that pushes the stud down into its location for welding. There for a second you saw the Opto Touch palm buttons. There is the actual feeder itself. That green part is the bowl where you pour the studs. You can also put them up in that hopper in the upper portion above that bowl. Here is the track where the stud gets fed. It gets fed down through that plastic hose, up, over into the welder.